Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Hocking County until 7 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located near South Bloomingville, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Hocking Hill State Park, Logan. In addition, South Bloomingville, Islesboro, Gibsonville, Union Furnace, Lake Logan State Park, Rockbridge and Enterprise are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.